Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. It's December 2nd. We have started our day, right? Say good morning. Say good morning. So yesterday, I didn't show Atlas's advent calendar. Oh, he realized I left, but he's okay. So here it is. I got it at Crate and Barrel last year. And so it's the second day. So we're going to take this Mr. Gnome and put him in day 2. Now maybe like when Atlas is older, I might like do gifts or something, little activities or something for each day. I've also seen like where you can do like books, but all he really wants to do with books right now is eat them. So while I'm happy to like attempt to read him books, I don't really want to like purchase a ton of books. I did tell people for Christmas to get him books, so maybe we'll get some Christmas books from that. Do you want to tell them how you slept last night? Or give them an update, tell them how you're feeling? It's all you. You can tell them whatever you want. You just gonna stare at yourself? Yeah. What are we doing today? Can you tell them? We're gonna go to Nana's house. Yes. So we're gonna go to Briar's mom's house and help her set up for family bingo. That is tomorrow. So we're gonna go hang out there. But first I have to go to the chiropractor. That's our first stop. And then from there we are gonna go to Briar's mom and help her out. So we made it home. Oh, someone has the hiccups. Oh goodness. Did we just get home from Nana's? Yeah. Oh, you trying to sit up? Okay, let's sit up. Do you want to sit up? Okay, let's sit up. Ready, set. Oh, sit up. There we go. So I took my camera with full intentions of like videoing what I was helping her with, and then I just like completely forgot. Like I brought the camera inside and everything, but she needed help putting like gift baskets together for bingo tomorrow. And so I was like, oh, that'll be cool to like film, but totally forgot. So someone's a little grumpy. He had a good nap this morning, like at home, but then he's had two like on the go naps. Oh. Yeah, so he's tired. He's ready for bed. So, but we made it home. Yeah. Briar took the cookies I made yesterday to work, and people loved them. So those are your unbiased opinions right there. They were good cookies. So you guys should make them because they weren't too like difficult, and the ingredients are like not crazy wild. There are some that I'm like, I've never even heard of that. So yeah. Look at you! You say look at you! But yeah. So now we're just gonna play till Dad gets home. What are you doing?
I got a new rug.
What's the rug for?
My office.
Office.
To make my office feel more home. Get out of the way, Gizzy. Gosh.
He wants to be involved. Make your office look more homey?
Yeah. It's weird how they package this.
I know, usually they come like in a circle. Okay, we'll get it unwrapped and laid out. Okay, so it has to sit because it was actually folded, not rolled, but this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a gray blue on like the darker spots. But yeah.
Gizzy's confused.
We're gonna let it flatten and then move it more to where it
should
needs
go.
to be. Yeah. You like it?
I like it.
You like the colors?
Yeah.
It's always hard to order things like online.
Now, whenever I do floor time, it won't be so painful.
Because you do floor time all the time.
Yes.
No, that's Atlas. Atlas does floor time.
It stinks.
It does stink. Hopefully, though, hopefully it'll lose that smell.
Yeah.
I mean, the last rug I literally brought came from Mathis Brothers, so I don't really remember what the other rug smells like.
Gizzy, do you approve?
Because he's made himself at home. So, obviously, there's a reason why we don't put multiple videos out a week or even a month, because our lives just are a lot of the same things throughout the day. So each video is going to be varying in the length. Some are probably going to be really short. Some might be longer on the days that we're actually doing stuff, but I'm still going to commit to doing it even if they're just like short little snippets of our day. So that ends Vlogmas Day 2. It's 8 o'clock. And I just want to take a shower and go to bed because I am so tired. Briar's at the gym, so he cannot say goodbye on this one. But we appreciate you guys for watching. We hope that you enjoyed it. And tune in for the next video again. Can't guarantee it's going to be tomorrow, but you know, I'm going to try. So see you guys soon. Bye.